Also on the tabs, we have alignment and leader. I introduce leader. You could set dots, dashes, underline, or none. And alignment by default, it is left. Of course, we could set, for example, right. Allow me to remove it and set 1 as an example. 6 centimeter, dots, and right. Set and OK. And it is aligning right, which the icon, it is different with this one. What does it mean? It's mean if I start typing here some characters, you see aligned from left side. But here, it's aligned from right and pushing to the left side. So from the left, a line is starting from here. The right, actually the maximum by default, it is here. And of course, we have center. Allow me to add one more exact similar F. But this one, let's say on the tab, I clear and it was 4 centimeter. Dot spot center, okay. And it is in the middle, you see, from both sides. And the icon is something like flipped T. But one thing it is special except of regular alignments on the tab, and it is decimal. The bar actually is not so useful, and usually we are not using that, okay. But making some vertical lines, and usually even not so useful, I don't recommend it. But something, allow me to undo that, is very important is decimal. If I go to tabs and clear all and set the values for decimal, maybe 6 centimeter, and decimal, set and OK, I press tab and type in something like 66.00 and press enter or return key, tab. Now I say 0 point some values and again tab 5555.004. You see what's happening? They are aligning based on your point. You see here exactly in the same column. And if I move this one to the left side or right side, you will see is it different with this one. If I click here, this is the T, but it is very small. There is similar to center, but very small dot also here for points. If I hold on the left mouse on that, you see, this is the line. And exactly a line based on that. We could actually manually set the tabs. Allow me to create a new document. Here you now are familiar with these icons. This is the left tab stop. This is the center. This is the right. And this is decimal. So I could set anything I want, like let's say decimal. I could click here, press tab, digits, points. It is actually working with any character, and the important thing is that period. But okay, I just set digit. And again 0 point something, and again something point 001. So it is very easy. You could do it manually by anything. And one last here, it is the bar or vertical line. I could click here and it is much simpler. Actually, this one set manually instead of going to tabs and set here a bar. And if you realized something, allow me to remove everything here. I say 6 centimeter and dot is set, okay. Just as an example, A tab B. How we could actually update this value? You could clear and again add, but you realize when you set exact the value, exact 6 centimeter, and then adjust anything else, like let's say right, and set, because the value is the same, actually it will be updated. Very easy, right? ABC, and I want to update here. Let's say first set 6 and maybe 10 with dashes sets. Okay. So how can I update? Go to the tabs and set the which one you want to update. I say 10. You see, automatically, because recognize it is selecting the value. Actually, you could select the values from the list here too and change to anything you want. Set, and okay, now it is updated.